In today's market, there's a ton of ways you can go about selling your home. It's important for homeowners to weigh out all their options to make sure they're getting exactly what they need. The most traditional way of selling your home would be to list with an agent, have a few showings, and then ultimately have them by your side throughout the closing process. But it's important to understand this process could take every bit of 3 to 6 months. You're expected to keep your house in perfect shape for weeks on end so that the realtor can do showings. Assuming your house does sell, you need to account for the realtor fees, the closing costs, and any of the potential repairs the bank or lender might require to approve the loan. Here at Atlas, we take a different approach. Our mission is to make the process as painless and easy as possible. What we offer is what you get. We're not going to ask for any repairs or any closing costs or realtor fees. We're here to give you a true number that you're going to walk away with. We want to give you the best cash offer for your home and close in your time frame. Whether you need to close in as little as 2 weeks or you need a few months to move out, we're here to give you the certainty that we can get it done. So if you're looking for a better way to sell your house, fill out one of the forms on our website or give us a call today. It doesn't cost anything for us to come out to your house and see if we can make the numbers work. We'd love to see if we can help.